Why don't you come join us? We're at the Wild West Fork. And we're calling it that because we're gonna chase a bunch of waterfalls. We watched a few videos and I want to give a shout out to Lopez Explorer. Thank you, Lopez Explorer, for showing us this place, and we can't wait to get deep into it and catch all those waterfalls. So come join us on this wild ride. The trail is paved here, which makes it for easy walking, wheelchairs, families, biking, and they even have fishing. And the canyons are epic with waterfalls. They have bathrooms along the way, and at any point that you want, you just make a left or a right and you're in nature. So there's all these little side chutes, so at any time you see something lovely or a good view, you just head down. So we're going down to check out the river. We're going to see two different rivers. This one's a little bit muddier, and I believe the other one is clear, more like East Fork and the Bridge to Nowhere. Stay tuned because the canyons here are so incredibly amazing. We have Little Mermaid Canyon and some hidden ones. There's ropes to climb up the waterfalls and get deep into the canyon, even swimming in natural pools. This was a gem. As you make your way down this beautifully paved road, you will find all kinds of turnoffs. I want to draw attention to the second bridge because you can connect to Bear Canyon Trail and head up into the canyons, into the mountains, and get incredible views all to yourself. You just make a right or a left, I believe the left here. And either way, there's a sign, and if you have your all trails on, you will see the connection to the Bear Trail. I don't believe we got a mile in, and there was this epic waterfall across the river. You gotta see this one. To get up close to this beautiful fall, you do have to cross the river. Brian, our friend who joined us, he grabbed a big stick and it really helped him. Use wisdom and proceed with caution. That waterfall jump-started us. We got back on that paved road and we couldn't wait to see what we'd find next. Now there's all kinds of little waterfalls and creeks that children or families could go explore, but we were looking for the big payoff in the canyons, and so we continued on. Somewhere around the 2-mile mark, things got a little more interesting. Well, we discovered another waterfall. This is number 7. Yeah, I'm gonna see what's up here. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh, this is pretty, guys. Made it to the next waterfall, guys. Now you know Brian and I had to see what was up that rope. So this is what's up that rope. Boy, that was sketchy. I don't recommend it to anybody. That small canyon was absolutely magical, but we decided to carry on. Come with us. Let's see what else is out there. Alert to all fishermen. They have 2 to 3 that I found. Trails that lead to private fishing areas that are exclusive for specific fish, and this has got to be a delight for any fisherman. It's at the top fishing platform, so I guess we're here. Okay, fishermen, this is where all the trout is. Just follow that sign, put your anchor out, good to go. As we made our way back from the fishing spot, we could not imagine what was next. There must have been a turnoff into a canyon every half mile, maybe even less. Whoa, loving that. I know all of us thought that we had seen everything, but we had no idea what was around the corner, as the mountains leaked and dripped with beautiful waterfalls. Right around the corner was something so unique and special, we're gonna have to just show you. Little secret spot to a waterfall. And I showed you the bench and the big tree, so you got an idea. It's about at the 3-mile marker. And we're gonna see if we can get across this river and give you a shot of another waterfall. Okay, we're crossing the river to get to this waterfall. We're gonna go slow. It's gonna get a little bumpy. Ow. Oh. Ah. So we're going off trail, we're going deep into this waterfall, and it looks like there's a gorgeous waterfall. It's a little deep. Oh, we may go swimming. That waterfall looks really cool though. Cold? So Brian's the first to get in. It's about 3.5 feet deep. So make sure you got all your electronics in some kind of water protected bag or a case. Oh, it's cold, but it's cool. Oh. This looks like a dream to me. Wow. This is super beautiful. The most pristine, clean pool. You can't ask for any better than this, guys. Ryan's coming on up. He's gonna brave it. Guys, unbelievable. Wow, it just keeps going. So on the way down, we fixed this long tree branch to get down this waterfall on the side. It was a little dicey, and it gave us a little more security. It's time to dry out. The West Fork Scenic Bike Trail gets 5 stars from Hike Bites. This destination was epic. Thank you so much for watching, and until your next adventure hike, remember, explore nature with us, one bite at a time.